Team India has created history in the T20 World Cup 2026 after defeating England in the semi-final. India has entered the final and made a record that no team in T20 World Cup history has achieved. Yes, the Indian team is now going to play the T20 World Cup 2026 final, and the big match will be against New Zealand in Ahmedabad. But the biggest highlight is the historic record India created the moment they won the semi-final. In a thrilling semi-final match, Team India defeated England by 7 runs. As soon as this victory was confirmed, a new chapter was written in the record books. With this win, India has reached the T20 World Cup final for the 4th time. And this is something no other team has managed to do in the history of the tournament. Not Pakistan, not Australia, not New Zealand, not South Africa, not even England. But now Team India has achieved this incredible milestone. If you look back at the history of the T20 World Cup since 2007, no team has played as many finals as India. This makes India the team with the most T20 World Cup final appearances. Let's quickly look at India's journey in previous finals. In 2007, India played the final against Pakistan and lifted the trophy with a memorable victory. Then in 2014, India reached the final again, but unfortunately lost to Sri Lanka. After that came 2024, when India once again reached the final and defeated South Africa to win their second T20 World Cup title. And now in 2026, Team India has once again made it to the final. This means India will be playing their 4th T20 World Cup final. There is another interesting statistic here. India has now become the 3rd team in T20 World Cup history to reach the final in 2 consecutive editions. Before India, only 2 teams achieved this. The first was Pakistan, which played consecutive finals in 2007 and 2009. They also lost the 2007 final against India, but won the 2009 final against Sri Lanka. Then came Sri Lanka, which played back-to-back finals in 2012 and 2014. They lost to West Indies in 2012, but defeated India in 2014. Now Team India has joined this list after winning the 2024 final and reaching the 2026 final. Interestingly, in both earlier cases, teams had 1 loss and 1 win in their consecutive finals. India has already won in 2024. Now the question is, what will happen in 2026? The grand final of the T20 World Cup 2026 will be played on March 8 in Ahmedabad, where India and New Zealand will face each other for the trophy. India has already created history by reaching the final for the 4th time, but now the big question is, will Team India win the title again and create another historic moment? Or will New Zealand stop India's dream? What do you think? Who will lift the T20 World Cup 2026 trophy? Let us know your prediction in the comments below and keep watching KTV India for such contents.